What's the meaning of brief? Brief. Brief.
Brief. Brief. The term brief can refer to a number of different things depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, however, it means something that is short or concise, often used to describe written or spoken communications that are intended to convey information quickly and efficiently. A brief can be a summary or overview of a longer document or report, or it can be a set of instructions or guidelines that are intended to help someone complete a task. In legal contexts, a brief is a written argument submitted to a court, outlining the facts of a case and the legal arguments in support of a particular position.